Hello, boss babes. Woo! Psyched. All right, so all you have to do is just decide that you want something so badly, decide that this is it now, and the universe will deliver it to you. And I'm going to tell you a little story. You know that post that you saw earlier today about all the different dogs that we have applied for adoption, and we just haven't been able to find the right one? It's because those weren't the dogs for us, you know? And last week, I was talking to my hubby about an old English bulldog. And I've always wanted one. Like since grade 7, I've always wanted one. I wanted to name it Boss. And that's just the little dream dog that I've always wanted, you know? And so he was kind of on the fence. I'm like, come on, like this is like the perfect dog for our lifestyle. It's fantastic. This is the dog for us. Like I'm telling you. So anyway, he started to laugh because he started to see my point of view, and he's totally agreed. And he goes, you know what? You're right. This is it. This is the type of dog that we're going to get. But we need to get one that is a mixed race, that is mixed with another breed, because then it won't have as many health problems and live longer. You know, we want it to be around us. We live, to live longer because it's a big part of our family and everything else. So I'm like, yeah, okay, great. Let's do that. Let's look for an old English bulldog mixed with another dog. And there's nothing posted. And you know what? As soon as we made that decision, the universe brought her to us. It was like 2 days later, I saw this post of these like cute little pups. She's mixed with a lab. And guess what? We were able to put down a deposit. So the universe brought us exactly what we were looking for. When there was not even like one bulldog out there that was mixed and like for a post. It's absolutely insane. So we're going to be picking her up next week, and I'm going to be sharing all about her in like the next week. So I'm so excited. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know, once you make that decision, once you decide on something like this is it, the universe will line everything up for you. And you make up your mind that you want something so dark badly, it will work out. Okay, it will work out. You just have to trust. You have to trust the process. You have to trust the universe, and it will come to you. Anyway, that's all I want to share with you ladies today. So have a beautiful Friday. I'm just out on the road, so I wasn't going to miss telling you guys the story. Okay, so sending you lots of love. Ciao.